In this video, you're going to learn how to use the zonal statistics. The zonal statistics is used after an accessibility analysis when you have obtained the travel time layer raster, and I'm assuming that you have done that already. And it helps you to get the coverage statistics, so the percentage of the population that is found within a given travel time from your existing health facility network. And so in this module, there are three data inputs that you have to choose. The first one is the population layer, because of course the statistics needs to make some sum and some analysis of where the population is to get your coverage statistics. And then you need to indicate an accessibility travel time raster that you have obtained with the accessibility analysis, which is really the raster that has the travel time to the nearest health facility. And then you need to tell AccessMod how it will compute these statistics, and if you want some kind of average statistics for different administrative units or for different zones. And for the tutorial here that we are using, we have imported already a shapefile called zones, which contains actually 4 different zones. So when I select this shapefile, AccessMod also needs to know which of the columns in the attribute table of that shapefile contain a unique identifier for each of these zones. And in our case, we can choose admin code. And also which column contain the name of this zone, the name of this administrative unit. And in our case, this is admin name, so all is okay. And now the only thing I need to add is to tell AccessMod at what maximum travel time I would like to get my statistics. So for example, if I put 120 here, 2 hours, and then I click on update here, AccessMod will generate very fast, usually, this table here, where you see there are 4 rows, which are the 4 administrative units, the 4 zones with their names. Here in this column, this is the total population that is found in each of these zones. And then in this column, this is the population that is found at a maximum of 120 minutes travel time to the nearest facility. And by doing a ratio between these two columns, you have here in the last column the percentage of the population in each of these zones that is found at less than 120 minutes. And now I can easily, explore other statistics. I can look at the statistic at 60 minutes. So I put 60 here, I update this table, and I have immediately my covered percentage, my population covered percentage here that has been changed. You can see that there is one region that has 0 here, and if you have looked already at the tutorial data in your GIS package, you will see that actually, indeed, in this zone there is no facility, and therefore the catchment of other facility could not reach that zone, and we have, by definition, 0 coverage of the population in that zone. But if I increase here, for example, to 240 minutes, then you can see that some population in that zone here in less than 4 hours can reach a facility which is found in another administrative unit. So this is the result of this zonal statistics tool. And what I can do is simply, I can highlight, copy paste it to Excel or another tool and play with those numbers and make different graphics from those numbers. So this is the zonal statistics and the end of the video.